Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and I've got the Natural Wellness box, and this is a bi-monthly subscription for November and December. On the back here it's got my address. If you're new to the Natural Wellness box, then carry on watching, but as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's in this box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. The Natural Wellness box is a bi-monthly subscription that focuses on health, well-being and beauty. It is based in the UK and they ship to Europe. The cost of the box is £38 and there's free shipping within the UK. Shipping to Europe is an additional £9.95. They also offer a 6 and 12 month subscription, and you can opt for a one-off box which will cost you £42. Inside you'll find between 5 to 7 products, and they could range from healthy snacks, natural, cruelty-free skincare, wellness products like supplements, and their aim is to help you feel beautiful and healthy from the inside out. Now this box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. They have given me a code to share with you which will entitle you to receive 10% off your first box, which is Diary10. I'll pop a link to the code and the subscription down below in my description, so underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So I think that's it, so let's get on to showing you what's inside this box. So inside you find a leaflet, and it details everything about the products and the theme, which I'll talk about in a little while. And this is what it looks like. Oh, got some cards there related probably to the products, and yeah, give you a sneak peek, but I'll go into more detail. Going back to the leaflet, this is the Winter Harmony collection box. And it says, with darker nights upon us and colder weather, our health and wellness can take a bit of a hit. We start to feel gloomy, our skin starts to suffer, and we can start to feel a bit run down. Our Winter Harmony collection includes a hand-picked selection of luxe health, beauty and wellness products to help you feel harmonious over winter. We are excited to introduce some new brands to our boxes and some familiar faces. As always, we would love to hear what you think of this collection, and we love seeing your photos and videos on Instagram. Don't forget to tag us at Natural Wellness Box so we can share. Enjoy feeling harmonious until the next collection, Catherine. Okay, so first up, you've got a glass jar of something. This is Liminal Beauty Sandalwood Body Treatment Balm. It has 1,000 micrograms of CBD. This might be one of the new brands because I've been receiving this box now for about 2-3 years, maybe, quite a long while, and I don't recognise it. I don't recognise it. Oh, the smell is gorgeous. Oh, it is lovely. You're not going to see much there. Let's see what it's like melt on my hand. Oh, it's got a consistency of melted white chocolate. You know, if you've ever had a piece of white chocolate, and I don't know whether you've done it or not, but I have, and you just put your finger on it and it just melts. See, that's what it looks like. The smell is gorgeous. Oh, it feels really nice. Really, really lovely. Okay, a little card about it here. The perfect self-care treat for yourself or a winter wellness gift for friends and family. Ease into relaxing bliss with our nourishing CBD body treatment balms and luxury CBD fragrance candles. Enjoy an exclusive 25% off your next order. NWB250FF off. With love, Sharon. So there's that. This is full size and the recommended retail price is £55. This beautiful treatment balm is formulated with 1,000 micrograms of CBD extracted from organically grown cannabis plants with natural shea and cocoa butters. Gently massage into your skin and allow the soft woody fragrance to be revealed. CBD is known for its anti-inflammatory benefits and can help to rebalance stressed skin. Shea and cocoa butters are rich in skin-friendly vitamins and fatty acids for intensive moisturization and to help maintain healthier skin barrier. The scent of sandalwood oil can increase delta and theta brainwaves, leading to feelings of deep relaxation and pure harmony. So that's the first item in the box. It sounds wonderful, doesn't it? Next up, we've got a product from Life Armour and Natural Nutrition. These are drops of vitamin D and bone health with 75 micrograms of vitamin K2, prebiotics and adaptogens, natural tincture blend. This is brilliant. This is really, really great. Although saying that, how many does it say? It says to take 1 pipette daily. In the winter, I take 3000 IU of vitamin D, and you're supposed to take vitamin K alongside any vitamin D supplement. I don't know the science behind it, it's just what I've learned. It's just they go together, they work better together, and you need them to be together. So the fact that I've got this an all-in-one is brilliant, so I don't have to buy any separate supplements, so I can just take 3 little dropfuls of this a day. Take directly under the tongue, dilute it in water, or add to your breakfast bowl or smoothie. I'll just take the 1 for now. That's really nice. A lot of these are not that great. Taste of peppermint and sugar. Really sweet peppermint taste to it. That's easy to take. This is full size and the recommended retail price is £22. A high strength daily supplement to support a healthy immune system, healthy bones and overall well-being. 100% natural and vegan friendly. Each 1 ml serving contains 1000 IU vitamin D3 and 75 micrograms of vitamin K combined with a prebiotic to aid absorption and support a healthy gut, and adaptogenic mushrooms for overall well-being. Sunshine and strength in a bottle with concentrated active ingredients that really work. And then it goes into telling you how to take it and how many. So there's that. Next up we've got a Camellia Rose Otto Protect Day Face Oil by Relax Ivu. Relax Ivu. This might be something new as well. How do I open it? Ooh. It's a facial. It's a face oil. 5 drops massage onto your face and neck for 5 minutes in the morning, and this little bottle will last up to 5 months. Avoid the delicate eye area around the eyes. This is a full-size product and the recommended retail price is £55. Invisible protection for your skin this winter. A light yet luxurious blend chosen to moisturise and protect your skin throughout the day. Enhanced with rose otto and sandalwood essential oils to uplift, rejuvenate and energise. Camellia oil and evening primrose oil, rich in vitamins A, B, D and E, work together to smooth and soothe fine wrinkles. A beautiful light facial oil which can be worn under makeup. Apply 5 drops onto clean skin. 20 ml is enough for 5 months of use, as it says. Okay, so let's try a little bit on my hand. Oh, the smell is gorgeous. Yeah, it's really lovely. I've just put it on top of the balm now. So it's all going to feel really odd on my hand. But it doesn't. My hand just feels super smooth and soft. Yeah, the smell is really lovely. There. I'm not going to see much there, but it's absorbing into my skin really beautifully. That's just left a really nice smooth surface. Not really sticky or oily, you know. It just feels really nice and smooth on my skin. Yeah, that is beautiful. So we got a protection face oil there. Next up we've got some bath jellies from No Beauty Secrets, and we've got bath jelly 4 and bath jelly 1. I'll have a little read now to see what the difference is. Oh, okay, does it say there? 100% naturally derived from plants. For best results, use 1 jar per bath. Rub gently into the skin before soaking in the bath. Can also be dispersed directly into the bath. Okay, and suitable for vegans. Oh wow! That is so strange. It is so strange. It's like marmalade. I know I'm putting it on this hand. With the balm, with the oil. But it's like, it is literally like jelly. So number 1, what's the difference between, ooh, okay, this one's different. This one looks more like a balm. And I can smell lemons on that one. No, that, oh, look at this. Look. Okay, let's try a bit there. We are getting rid of our bath. Oh, I am absolutely gutted. But not for long. We will get another one eventually, maybe next year, hopefully. We're getting rid of it and having a walk-in shower. but eventually we will have another bath upstairs. Yeah, that is a little bit different to the other one. I'm going to have to read up about them. They're £18 per jar. Treat your skin to a deliciously different, one-of-a-kind bath jelly, a tactile melting syrup designed to be applied to your body before entering the bath. It says massage the jelly into dry skin to stimulate circulation and relieve tension. As the heat from the body warms the jelly, the heady, calming aromas will fill the room. Sink into a hot bath and the jelly dissolves into a therapeutic bath oil with the skin softening goodness of the excessive seed oil blend. The skin is left definely, never sticky, muscles are soothed and stress melts away. They sound gorgeous. What is the difference between number 1 and number 4? Except that one is yellow and one is like a cream colour, or vice versa. A little leaflet came in the box, didn't it? Let's see if it says anything about the difference. It's won awards. Free from Skincare Awards, Bronze 2020, Natural Health Beauty Awards 2020 shortlisted. Yeah, no, it doesn't say anything about what is different between 1 and 4. I'm going to have to look on their website to find out. But how amazing is that? Completely different to anything I've ever tried before. I'm going to enjoy applying those. Next up, we've got some tea bags. These are from Hey, I'm Oh My Flow. It's so nice to meet you. These 2 little tea bags in there, can you see? They're £6.49 a pack. Oh My Flow is an organic adaptogenic wellness tea featuring natural ingredients including goji berries, rosehip, raspberry leaf, schisandra berries. Invite calm and balance back into your routine with our Hug in a Mug blend. 100% caffeine free organic ingredients, perfect to take at the time of the month or any time of the day for a harmonious tea ceremony. So there's those. And we always get a sweet treat. And we've got Superfoodio peanut butter chocolate, raise the bar, with 17 grams of protein. Wow. This is full size and it would cost you £4. A dreamy combination of single origin cocos and roasted peanuts made with high quality plant-based ingredients. These bars are stone ground and handmade to create a luxurious melt in the mouth chocolate, high in fibre, refined sugar-free and recyclable packaging. So I'm going to keep this for the weekend, but it sounds gorgeous. Peanut butter chocolate. Yeah, so those are all the items. So I'll just gather them all up, give you a bit of a recap, and then I'll add them all up and I'll be back. So we've got a Superfoodio peanut butter chocolate bar. We've got 2 No Secrets Beauty bath jellies. We've got 2 Oh My Flow tea bags. We've got Life Armor, vitamin D and vitamin K daily drops. We've got Relax Ivu, a protecting facial oil. And lastly, we've got Liminal Beauty Sandalwood Treatment Balm. My maths isn't the best, and without a calculator, I've added everything all up, and it comes in at around £174, around there anyway, way above the cost of the box, which is £38. What an amazing box this month. There's some gorgeous things in there. Those bath jellies, I'm going to be using them straight away, just before we get rid of our bath. I cannot wait to use them. They are very unique and very different. The treatment balm is gorgeous. The facial oil feels amazing on my skin. The vitamin D, perfect timing. So overall, a really, really beautiful box. I would love to hear what you think. Do you subscribe to the Natural Wellness Box? If you do, have you received your box yet? What do you think of the products? Or are you watching this wondering if this is a box for you or not? I'd love to hear what you think. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.